A lot of people have seen improv before. What we do is create whole stories, and we'll be doing 2 or 3 different stories during the 55 minutes of the show, depending on how the stories go. We kind of let the story go where it wants to go.
So rehearsal process, we're immersing ourselves in certain fairy tale writers. Right now, Hans Christian Andersen, Kipling, who did a lot of the origin stories, like how did a leopard get its spots, that kind of thing. Since we're making up on our feet, there'll be a lot of rehearsal with the actors, improvising narrations. How do you set up a where? Just getting language in our mouths, really, because we're setting the set up verbally. People don't know who they're going to play, so how do you narrate and create a character and let that actor take that character on?
One of the things is we don't want to do anything that's been done before. So if somebody shouts out Little Red Riding Hood, it's going to be a completely different Little Red Riding Hood than anybody's ever seen before. Every show will be completely different. So that's a cool thing in terms of, and a great thing for you to tell families is that if they came on Saturday and wanted to come back on Sunday, they'd see a completely different show.